Welcome back to my gardening channel. In this video, I will show how to grow choy sum from seed till harvest. It's a great result of choy sum. Let's go and see my planting process in few seconds. Here is the right charcoal. Here is the dry cow dung powder, and I will spray the water to make the soil moisture, and then I mix with the garden soil, mixing it well. Then I prepare the container. This container I cutting from the liquid shampoo that I bought from the store. Now I prepare the soil mixture into the pot. 4 pot is already prepared. I move to the new place that I have arranged for my planting. Here is the new place that I arranged, and I start to watering the soils. Watering well. Then I start to dig the Choy Sum baby. This Choy Sum baby is sowing from seed, and I will start to planting into the pot soil. In this pot, I will plant 15 Choy Sum into this pot. 1 row is 5 plant, and 3 row total is 15 plant. Choy Sum is the easy vegetable to grow in home garden. My planting process is almost finished, so have another plant continue to grows in the pot soil. Choy Sum is easy to care and grows fast. Water well. Watering is very important. Mulch cover the soil. Benefit of mulch is keep soil moisture. Watering again. Move to the place that I have arranged. 4 pot is ready place. After planting the Choy Sum, it look like this. Let's see what happened after 14 days. 14 days later, Choy Sum grows and green leaf come out. Look very fresh and green. "20 days later, I remove out the grass, and then I add fertilizer fertilizer, I use soy mixture to add on the choy sum plant. I add to all the choy sum 4 pot.